Welcome to a new week. Again, from the car. I'm on the way to a work trip and I will be gone from today, Monday, until Thursday. So 3 nights in Bamberg, so the location where our headquarters are. And we're going to have an AI bootcamp, which I'm really looking forward for. Or AI development bootcamp. I mean, I am developing every single day with AI, still learning something new, learning from people that maybe have or probably have spent even more time than I do with that do it on a daily basis, will be valuable. On the weekend, we have planned a trip with friends to France. So this week I will be spending one night at home. So it will be quite hard to be productive. But I have a plan, and that's the key there. I would say that when you're on the road, that you not only be like, I will work, but that you say like, okay, at this place, at this time, I will do this and that. And that you also stick to that. That you not only say, for me, it is like, okay, I will be working on editing last week's video this evening, and I have to put together a route for a hike on the weekend that I will also do this evening after I finish the video. And for tomorrow I have something on the list, and have a location, have a container, have a task that you will do, and you then simply have less excuses of what to work on. Yeah, that's the plan for this week. Let's see how it goes. It is Wednesday morning and the first day of the workshop is over. It is about agentic engineering, and I have to say I learned a lot. Even that I'm doing that for probably 2 years now. There are some little things that I did differently, that I didn't spend that much time with, and that make a huge difference. And I'm looking forward to implementing that in my work as well, because it makes my work a lot more relaxed as well. But yeah, that happens when you're open to learn something new. And yeah, today's the second day, building something on there. Still have to think about what it is. And let's see how that day goes. And in the evening, I already have to work on a course, or I have to write some copy for a course that I'm working on. Looking forward to that. Now, time for breakfast. Wednesday night, finished the writing session. Proud about myself. Again in the car, again on the way home after a work trip. The last 2 days were intense. We had an AI bootcamp. I think I talked about that a little bit in the last clips. where the goal was to onboard more people into agentic engineering, so working as a software engineer or system engineer, any kind of engineering basically with AI, and that went pretty well. And I mean, honestly speaking, there is also not much of an alternative in the future for engineers, because the way of writing code manually to a big degree, that will be going away, if you want it or not. And therefore, engineers have to learn that. Engineers have to get into that. And my part as a director, basically, there is paving the way, leading up front with working with AI. And that's also why I invest a lot of time into building tools, because I want to be good at that. I want to be leading by example at that. Yeah. Now I'm on the way home. Will take me another 1.5 hours. Then I'm getting back to work. And tomorrow I will be leaving again. So one night at home. And I'm leaving for a trip to France for 2 nights with some friends. France with friends. It was a present for a birthday of two friends, and yeah, we're getting there, enjoying the weekend, going for a hike. What better thing could you do? Spend time with friends, go hiking, enjoy yourself. And besides that, also trying to progress on my work a little bit. And that is something that I especially did in the past 2 days as well. Because usually when I'm sleeping in a hotel, I'm not working that much in the evening because I'm getting distracted or I'm spending time with the team. And this time I set some very clear boundaries for myself, that I won't be watching TV, because that I sometimes do in a hotel, that I won't be taking my phone to bed, which hinders me from doom scrolling in bed. And I said I will be writing no matter what 30 minutes every day, and that I did. And doing what you say, especially doing what you tell yourself you will do, does a major thing. It helps you to learn to trust in yourself, and that is a big deal. Even more than like telling someone else what you will do. Yeah, therefore, good week, good days. Probably, maybe I will see you in the evening. Alright, it is Wednesday, and the last clip you saw was from the weekend where I was in France with some friends and we were hiking. It was quite a nice weekend, had a lot of fun, but now I'm back and I've fallen off the daily filming, which is okay because the last couple of days not that much that happened that I would have filmed anyways. So some updates, working still on battery pages, working still on Whisker. Moving forward, especially moving forward in terms of AI. We had this AI bootcamp last week, and I'm talking a lot about AI these days, and I'm also trying a lot of different things. But this is also where I have to realize again and again and again that AI exposes where you do not have clarity. So if you go to AI without clarity and say like, okay, let's build this kind of thing, AI is not your friend in terms of getting you to clarity. You need to know before what you're going to build, because otherwise AI basically does what you say and tricks you into the feeling of building something of value. And that is not always the case. So yeah, you need to have clarity before. With this being said, I will end this video here. It's already Wednesday and time for a new video, time to start a new video. Thanks for watching this one till the end, and I catch you next week.